up, traders? I want to talk to you today, show you guys why this may be the one of the simplest way to look at the charts, to trade the charts. Um, as you can see, every time we have three pushes down or three pushes up, the market tends to reverse the opposite way. Uh, at times, when we get three pushes down, we'll get an extended push, which then lets us identify divergence to confirm the reversal. So, by the way, this is the 1 hour chart. This is where I mark up all my analysis, my zone to zone support and resistance, which is very important to mark up so that you can see where price has been and where price intends to revisit. So, this is what how divergence, let me see, comes into play when we get three pushes down or three pushes up. We'll get that extended push, and you'll see divergence uh, come into play to confirm the reversal. You see it, right? So, and you can also see it here. We have three pushes here. You hardly see it because we got some consolidation, but you got one, two, consolidation, three. And but then you see how price is pushing up and the RSI is pushing down, letting us know that a reversal is soon to appear, soon to come. Right? Let me mark that up for y'all. So, right. So I think that divergent plays a big part in trading uh, because it's like an extra confirmation for a reversal and for early entry to get into this reversal. So as you can see, this reversal happened due to these small three pushes, right? We got one, two, and gold has yet to, by the way, this is gold. Gold has yet to give us that third push down, which I'm still waiting for it, if it happens. Um, but as you can see, at the moment, it's been consolidating. It hasn't. It looks like it's going back to this zone, which it might actually do that and keep pushing up, but we'll see. Um, but I'm anticipating that price will push down, and then this would be the buy area to try to go to look to go back up, right? So all in all, these three pushes, I think, is one of the best ways to look at the chart because it happens no matter what. It happens no matter the currency, no matter the commodity. It happens even in stocks. So when you're able to identify these three pushes down or three pushes up, you know, is to let us know that a reversal will happen after these three pushes happen. And we'll get that extended push down so that divergence comes into play for that extra confirmation for the reversal to actually take place, right? So, and then you see how support and resistance plays a major part in it too, because you see price always intends to revisit these areas, right? So, and also when you catch these three pushes in the higher time frames, like the weekly time frames and the daily, is even better because now you get a real visual of where the real trend is moving, of where price intends to move for days, for weeks. So um, that's another time frame uh, to look for when you identifying these levels. So like I mark it up on a 1 hour chart, so like that I can go down to the lower time frames to identify my entry And most times I actually enter on the same time frame where I'm analyzing because I'm already seeing how the structure is building and how the moves are starting to come into play to give me that opportunity to get in for the sell, get in for the buy. So I think this is one of the best trading strategies if you look at it good. You know, three pushes down, extended push for that bullish divergence to come in. Three pushes up, and you get a reversal. Three pushes up, and you get another reversal. You know, to me, it's all about the levels and the pushes as it happens no matter what. This is what price does. It's like it does it automatically no matter what. You know, this is how the market makers intend to move price. How the when the retail traders get into so many trades, they actually make these pushes happen even more. You know, so if you like this type of trading style, if you think that you understand this, or if you have questions about this, you can comment below, or you can check out my Instagram. I will put the Instagram link information below so that you can send me a message and we'll talk about it. Um, and I use the RSI because the RSI helps me identify divergence with price, of course. You know, so let me know what you guys think about this type of trading strategy. I call it like anybody else who trades the type of strategy. There's other traders who I know that trade it this way. They have their different type of explaining it, but I call it trading in line with the market makers because I believe this is how they move. This is how they make their move. They come down, consolidate, come down, consolidate, another push, consolidate, extended push, divergence comes into play to confirm that entry to get in for the reversal. And then, we got to understand that these pushes happen because certain pairs, they give out a certain amount of pips on a daily basis, right? So this is gold. You got pairs like the USD JPY, like so when you count these pips, it lets you know, okay, or do I don't even know the tool. I just started using TradingView to analyze my chart. I like the tools that they actually have so that you can analyze your chart. But the whole thing is that certain pairs give out a certain amount of pips every day, and that's why these pushes come into play. And once those pips are accumulated, that's why the reversal comes into play and it reverses, right? So I think that's if you understand that, you will start looking at the chart like this, and you will start maybe wanting to trade this way, identifying these levels. There's two types of ways to identify these levels. There's two types of trends. You have the intraday trend, which is three levels within 3 days, and then you have the intraday trend, which is three levels within 24 hours, within one day. So if you have questions about that, like I said, comment down below. Send me a message through on my Instagram. I'm gonna put the link below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna upload more videos about this type of trading strategy. Uh, we can also do some YouTube live or something where we can get identify these levels together. Um, Let me know what you think about this type of trading style because I believe it's one of the best because these type of moves happen automatically no matter what. And this is straight price action, support and resistance, and what price is giving us, which is levels and pushes to identify the structure of what's going on. All right, so Comment down below, subscribe to the channel so that you can get more of this information. Let me know if you think this is something that you might put into your might something you might start doing. You know, and yeah, let me know. I'm gonna start uploading more videos from now on, and let me know what you guys think. All right.